Hello and welcome to my channel of investment and income. As per some queries, I will be taking up the case of Axis Bank today. I will once again remind you that this is an educative and knowledge sharing attempt. So I will give you the feedback as per my feeling, as per my opinion, and what I feel from the years of experience. So we will have this case. We'll look into Axis Bank. Axis Bank is also a constituent of Bank Nifty. We had taken up ICICI Bank previously. Since we want to observe the price movement to determine our action of buy and sell or hold, I will take the recent low of March 20. This is of Axis Bank. See this area. This is the area. Once again I will point it out to you. This is the lowest which was made on the 25th of March. It is rupees, this is the rupees 290 area. The actual low is something 285, but we can round it out to about rupees 290 area. This one. Now I will once again zoom it out so we can see the whole chart as we were seeing. Yes. This area, like we have seen in ICI, the indexes, many other stocks, this was the area of little confusion, because whenever an index or a stock falls after a steep fall like this, what we are seeing here, that too for the reasons when the whole world was shaken up, there will be some ups and downs before it catches up its rally. So this is once again the same period which we have seen previously. This period, it is a top made at the level of 485. This one I will just mark this level, just show you here. I will expand this page so you can see this here. Yes, this area. Now from here the fall was there. So in the month of April, from the third week, there was a steep fall. Still this area of confusion, there was a steep fall. From June it started to rise again. From this is the end of May. This portion is all June. From June it started to steadily rise again. It went on rising and making higher tops. See this region here. This I'll start from here once again. The 443 region, the 480 region, the 530 region. See, it went on making higher tops. After June, there was a lot of clarity worldwide also. Okay, this is the maximum the fall which was taken place in March. So from the June time, it was steady rising. Also, as on 6/1/21, I will take you to the extreme end where the price movement has risen, and I will shorten this round this area of 5th and 6th. The price is rupees 660. This area around is price is rupees 660. This portion. I will show you the chart once again so you come to know the price movement that has happened. This is the low. This is the area of rise April. Confusion from June, it getting steady, making higher tops, and then straight away it goes up to this level. In January 6. Now the issue is that the bank nifty is highly overbought. This is Axis Bank is a constituent of the bank nifty. There can be corrections. On the negative sides, what is going to be the NPA effect is still not clear. Reserve Bank has said that the bank's books will carry a lot of NPAs for a few months to come. But most of the foreign investment is coming in the financial sector, banking and the financial sector. So the falls are small. Once it started this journey has started its momentum, the falls were shorter, very short, and then when it got into full momentum, the rises were longer. You see this, the fall is very short here, this one, and the rises are becoming longer and longer. What nervousness the market will show before the budget, it is difficult to presume, but I think from 15th of January, that is in a day or two, the market might take a breather. The further rises will stop if the falls are not going to be steep, and there can be small corrections also. But as I have said here right now, Axis Bank, banking sector, financial sector, the falls will be very small right now, very short, not small, very short, and the rises will be higher. This opportunity might give us for new entrants to enter into the region where the markets come and stabilize. Now, long-term investors can continue holding the scrip. Those who have bought at lower levels as trader investor, anywhere in the journey, wherever you have bought this, you have taken it anywhere, you have taken a decent, I will show you one from here.
Finish your sentence.
Trader investors should keep this. Now, this portion as a stop loss. See this. This is the 570. This is the 570 area. This area should be kept as a stop loss. If the price starts coming down, if you are still in profit when you have bought it at the lower end, don't wait further. From here the correction can be pretty steep. But if you have seen the videos first in the introduction videos, I will mark out one fact that always happens is I will draw out a trend line. See this. This is only the tops which significant recent. I had explained to you in the introduction videos that whenever a fall takes place, whatever the previous tops are will act as, so I will extend this line. This will act also as a support. There is a full chance that the scrip might not fall even to this 570 level, but it will take a support at 640 level. I will now show you this example with a trend line. I had explained to you in my introduction videos the resistance becomes supports and the supports become resistance. Once this was a resistance, I will draw this trend line because the price could not just penetrate this price at one go. See this. It took 2-3 efforts to cross at this level. Now if I extend this trend line to here, the support for the fall comes to the 630-40 level. If the scrip falls, there is a strong support at this level now. So it might not even fall to this part which I have said, which is the low, that is the 570 level. So if this Axis Bank in its small correction takes support at this 640, 635 level, one can enter once the correction is over. Now one more thing, I will show you the whole graph again. This is the fall of March. This is the January, February peak which could not go. It was acting as a resistance. This is all that the high the scrip could make. Now after a steep fall, once the scrip starts rising, it has all the potential to rise to this level. This level is what I am telling you and showing you. I will draw a trend line once again here demarking this level. This script has the potential to reach this 750 level. If the fall is not below this level, once again I will tell you, if the fall is not below this level, if it takes support at this level and first support at this level, then the script has all the potential to reach is this point. That will be, it will make a double top. Like the same thing I explained in ICI, the same thing had come into picture perhaps in Bank Nifty. The same thing is happening in Axis Bank. We will take a call what is to be done once we reach this 750 level. Till then, please follow whatever has been we have discussed. In case if it goes below this, then this is the point where we should worry, not till then. Hope you understood this. You have my email. Any queries, you can ask me. I will try and answer to the best of my knowledge.